Hi everyone. I am Samuel, your speaker for today. And today we're gonna talk about the AI, which we also know artificial intelligence. Yeah, AI is it's no concept for science fiction. No? We all know that AI is now part of our daily lives. Am I right?
Yes.
That's right. Okay. Yes, AI is now helping our world in an amazing way. No? Like from solving the problem faster, from healthcare to education, and also make our life easier. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay. For example, I'm gonna give you an example. Okay. Can you tell me the time without looking your phone and without looking your watch? For the time. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's the help of AI. We know that's of course that's the help of AI. And then, but as AI grows, we must use it responsibly, of course, and ensuring it's fair, transparent, and of course to respect our privacy. Because we all believe the saying, with great power comes with great
Responsibility.
yes. There you go. Okay, now, but as AI has a huge potential to improve our future. So, but it's up all up to us how to guide the development wisely. So, I encourage everyone to let's embrace AI tool for progress and make sure it benefits everyone. Okay, thank you.